Airports are not only transportation centers, they are carefully engineered environments with the intent of shaping your every action. Under the smooth look and calming atmosphere is a network of secrets that most of the traveler's population ignore. From subtle psychology to unseen security measures, what you don't know might be costing you money, time, and mind peace. Hang in there, folks, because we're revealing 12 airport secrets airlines don't want you to know. Don't forget to subscribe to Fly Smarter for weekly insider travel advice, and see in the description links to must-have travel aids that can totally transform your next trip. Chapter 1. The comfort that makes you spend. That soothing airport vibe, it's not just for your pleasure. It's a strategic move to make you whip out your wallet. From low ceilings and soft carpets to ambient music and warm lighting, each detail is designed to calm your nervous system. Why? Because research indicates calm passengers spend between 7 and 10% more at duty-free stores and airport restaurants. Even the positioning of your gate seating is included in this plan. It's not merely waiting in comfort, it's a gentle psychological push in the direction of retail spaces. Airports employ retail psychologists to observe your habits and fine-tune every aspect for one purpose: to spend more. Consider London's Heathrow Airport, for instance. They've spent millions on scent marketing, employing soothing lavender to calm travel stress and boost spending. Sitting angles are actually designed to have you hanging around near stores. It's not convenience, it's business, masquerading as. Chapter 2. The tray trap travelers keep falling for. Believe that airport security tray is innocuous? Think twice. Letting your wallet, passport, or boarding pass fall carelessly into a bin is one of the most frequent and dangerous errors visitors commit. These little things are so easy to overlook, and so easy to lift in a moment of distraction. Seconds are all it takes. As you're taking off your shoes or fiddling with electronics, another might pocket your valuables before you even realize what's happened. The safer choice? Zip up everything critical in a zipped pocket or within a side pocket of your carry-on before you get to security. Certain airports are beginning to pilot enclosed trays and personal containers, but until that's the norm everywhere, err on the side of caution. Have your priorities close at hand, zipped, and out of view. Chapter 3. The baggage black hole. Once your checked luggage disappears behind the counter, it enters a maze of conveyors and barcode scanners, and even airport staff can't track it in real time. If your bag moves too slowly, it might miss a connecting flight. If it moves too quickly, it could arrive without you. And if you've left an old luggage tag on your bag, it might end up on the wrong continent. Like to keep your luggage safe? Take a quick photo of the bag prior to check-in and track it with a GPS tag or intelligent tag. Even with advanced systems, airport baggage handling remains vulnerable to human mistakes and antiquated infrastructure. In fact, more than 26 million bags were lost or mishandled worldwide in 2022. Airlines never tell you what really happened. You'll typically get a general excuse. But the truth is, most of these problems are avoidable if you know the insidious risks. Chapter 4. Cutting costs, one olive at a time. When airline meals are concerned, it is all about saving money. Indeed, one airline saved $40,000 annually by eliminating a solitary olive from every salad served on an aircraft. Airline menus aren't made up on the fly. They're designed months ahead of time with one intention: efficiency. The food is also altitude adjusted. At 30,000 feet, your taste buds are less sensitive, so meals are salted or spiced intensively just to make them taste normal. Most tourists don't know that the same industrial kitchen will serve economy and business class with merely differences in ingredients or presentation. Believe LSG Sky Chefs, one of the largest airline food providers in the world. Their kitchens are like factories, quick, standardized, and carefully controlled. It's not haute cuisine. It's mass-produced sustenance optimized for logistics, not taste. Chapter 5. What that hand swab really means. Ever had your hand swabbed by a TSA agent and questioned why? It's not for hygiene. They're looking for microscopic amounts of explosives or prohibited substances. These devices are so sensitive, they can register chemical residues even after you've just washed your hands. That's not the only unseen security measure you're going through either. Most airports are now incorporating facial recognition and AI-based behavioral analysis in their security systems. These monitors silently observe your facial expressions, body gestures, and movements to raise the alarm if anything suspicious is detected, usually without you even noticing. Let's take the example of Dubai International Airport. It employs AI-driven biometric tunnels that scan passengers quietly as they go through. No need to halt, no need for pat-downs, just quiet, high-tech scanning far beyond what was possible with traditional metal detectors. Your security is being checked out before you even get to the checkpoint. And in some airports, it's done with live links to law enforcement databases, enabling them to quietly flag certain people for further scrutiny. Chapter 6. The liquid loophole most travelers miss. We're all familiar with the rule, no liquids larger than 100 milliliter. But here's the hidden key: that rule has more loopholes than you realize. Isolated medicines, baby formula, and breast milk are also permitted over the amount as long as they're declared correctly. Frozen products, such as ice packs or slushies, can be carried over the limit if they are solid when checked. These exceptions aren't often advertised at checkpoints, and security agents won't always offer voluntarily. That results in a lot of travelers discarding completely acceptable items simply because they didn't know they had the right to request an exception. Here's the trick: be aware of your rights and don't be afraid to assert them. TSA officers will frequently accommodate slightly oversized containers, particularly if they're necessary and mostly empty. The 100 milliliter rule? It's not so strict as it is. If unsure, announce it. You may be amazed at what gets by. Chapter 7. VIP lounges without the VIP cost. Airport lounges only for first-class passengers? Hardly. Numerous passengers don't know you can purchase one-time lounge access, sometimes cheaper than a good meal at the terminal. Inside, there are all-you-can-eat buffets, upscale beverages, showers, fast Wi-Fi, and quiet work areas, a lifesaver for those lengthy layovers or delays. Even better, some top-of-the-line credit cards offer lounge privileges as one of the benefits, even for economy passengers. And international programs like Priority Pass grant entry into more than 1,300 lounges around the globe. No business class seat necessary. A few airports even have nap pods, shower suites with private showers, or hourly rentable business stations to provide you with the taste of luxury at a luxury rate nowhere to be found. They are productivity and comfort spaces, and unfortunately, they're usually underused just because travelers think they can't go in there. Chapter 8. The USB trap that could cost you everything. That convenient USB charging station for free at your gate? It may have an unseen price tag attached. Public USB outlets can be hacked by cyber attackers, and they use a method referred to as juice jacking, where malware installs itself as soon as you connect your phone. Your data is now compromised. To save yourself, bring your own wall charger along. Or better still, invest in a USB data blocker that halts data transfer when charging. And it's not only the ports. Public airport Wi-Fi is a hotspot for digital theft as well. Unsecured networks can spill your passwords, bank information, or personal emails. The best bet? Use your phone's personal hotspot or a reliable VPN. As online threats become increasingly sophisticated, treat your digital safety with the same care you have for your passport or wallet. Don't let cyber hackers destroy your vacation. Chapter 9. It's a pre-check not only for frequent flyers. Believe pre-check is only worth it for jet-setters? Think again. Even if you fly only a few times a year, pre-check can pay for itself in no time. For a minimal one-time application fee, you're granted access to expedited screening, no shoe removal, no laptop juggling, and typically much shorter lines. It's good for 5 years, and signing up is easy: a quick background check and brief appointment. A few high-end travel credit cards even pay for it, making it basically free. Aside from the convenience, pre-check cuts travel stress way down and ensures you don't miss your flight. It's a worthwhile investment for every kind of traveler, whether frequent or not. Chapter 10. Frequent flyer perks you're probably missing. Frequent flyer programs aren't all about getting that free seat. In fact, some of the most valuable benefits are staring us right in the face. Even on economy fares, loyalty members get to enjoy early boarding, upgrades for free, and lounge access sometimes after only 1 or 2 flights. Most airline programs have alliances with hotels, car rental companies, and internet retailers, allowing you to earn points on your overall travel experience, not just flights. Search for status-matching deals. If you're earning status with one airline, you may be matched by a competitor gaining an additional level of benefits. Schemes such as American A Advantage, Delta SkyMiles, and United Mileage Plus provide elite-style benefits even at their beginner levels, particularly through memberships such as Star Alliance or SkyTeam. Avoiding these programs? That's like leaving money and upgrades on the table. Chapter 11. How to Outsmart the Algorithm. Airfare isn't random. It's managed by dynamic algorithms that keep watch on demand, record your searches, and monitor competitor prices. But with good timing, you can outsmart them. The optimal time to book is generally 3 weeks to 4 months prior to departure. Prices fall on Tuesdays after airlines update fares on Monday night, and competitors follow suit by Tuesday afternoon. Flying during early morning hours can also reveal better rates. And being flexible with your travel dates, especially around off-peak days and holidays, can unlock serious savings. Here's a bonus hack. Clear your browser cookies or shop in incognito mode. Repeated searches can trigger higher prices. Airlines use your browsing habits against you. Smart searching can mean the difference between overpaying and getting a deal. Chapter 12. Landing Smart. How to Reset Fast. When you reach your destination, one of the strongest things you can do to combat jet lag is go outside into daylight. Daylight resets your internal clock and tells your body to adjust to the new time zone. Light, nutritious meals can also aid in your transition. They maintain the equilibrium of digestion, mood, and energy levels. Others take melatonin supplements to facilitate the transition, but always consult a healthcare practitioner before use. Arriving by day? Fight the temptation to sleep. Instead, keep yourself active and mentally stimulated. Arriving at night? Wind down with relaxing habits such as reading or a warm shower to prepare your body for bed. Mayo Clinic experts suggest synchronizing your meals and daily activities with local time at the earliest. It might be challenging for a couple of hours, but it really makes a significant difference in how fast you feel normal again. Final words. The big picture behind the airport curtain. Airports are not merely where you pick up a plane. They're complex ecosystems designed to sway your choices, control your flow, and squeeze profits. From soothing music to lighting, from electronic monitoring to fare algos, there's a concealed system behind nearly every experience. But you now have the advantage. You know the secrets, the pitfalls, and the tricks that the average traveler ignores. So when you next fly, you'll travel smarter, safer, and more confidently than ever before. Closing CTA, clean and compelling. If these revelations opened your eyes, take a second to like this video, subscribe to Fly Smarter, and look in the description for powerful tools and resources that can totally transform your next trip. Airport hacks to airline secrets, we've got your back to help you travel the skies like a pro. Safe travels, and we'll catch you on the next adventure.